Hi, this is Anjay. Welcome to English speaking class. Guys, girls, my student, shrotav, listeners, viewers, assalamu alaikum. Marhaba, sabal khair, tajahao, privet, ni hao. My students, today we are going to view the use of modal phrases. These modal verbs are very important. These play an important role in constructing the spoken phrases. Let's start our lesson up here. The first phrase is with the modal verb, can you make up for my loss? Can you make up for my loss? You see, my students, can is the modal verb and make up is the phrasal verb. Can you make up for my loss? Can you make up for my loss? क्या आप मेरे नुकसान का इजाला कर सकते हो? Can you make up for my loss? क्या आप मेरे नुकसान का इजाला कर सकते हो? Make up means make up to compensate, to compensate. Can you make up for my loss? Can you make up for my loss? क्या आप मेरे नुकसान का इजाला कर सकते हो? Can is a modal verb and make up is a phrasal verb. So in a sentence we have used both modal verb and phrasal verb to beautify the statement. So can you make up for my loss? Can you make up for my loss? Can you make up for my loss? क्या आप मेरे नुकसान का इजाला कर सकते हो? Hey my students, can is a modal verb and make up is a phrasal verb. So both are used in a one sentence, one statement. Can you make up for my loss? Can you make up for my loss? क्या आप मेरे नुकसान का इजाला कर सकते हो? Can you make up for my loss? क्या आप मेरे नुकसान का इजाला कर सकते हो? Can you make up for her loss? क्या आप उसके नुकसान का इजाला कर सकते हो? Can you make up her loss? क्या आप उसके नुकसान का इजाला कर सकते हो? A beautiful phrase. Let's move to the next modal verb and phrase. Next one is, could you look at this plant? 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 You see, my students, could is a modal verb. Could is a modal verb and look at is a phrasal verb. Look at means to see, to see carefully, to see carefully. So could you look at this plan? क्या आप इस मंसूबे का जायजा ले सकते? क्या आप इस मंसूबे का जायजा ले सकते थे? Could you look at this plan? Could you look at this plan? Could you look at this plan? क्या आप इस मंसूबे का जायजा ले सकते थे? Could you look at this plan? Could you look at this plan? क्या आप इस मंसूबे का जायजा ले सकते थे? An interrogative statement. Could you look at this plan? Could you look at this plan? Could you look at this plan? Again, you see, my students, अजीज तुलबा आप दोबारा देख रहे हैं कि could is a modal verb. It's a past form of can. And could you look at is a phrasal verb. To look at mean explore, explore. To look at mean explore. Can you look at this plan? Can you look at? Could you look at this plan? Could is a past form. So could you look at this plan? Could you look at this plan? क्या आप इस प्लान का, इस मंसूबे का जायजा ले सकते थे? क्या आप इस मंसूबे का जायजा ले सकते थे? Could you look at this plan? Could you look at this plan? क्या आप इस मंसूबे का जायजा ले सकोगे? Could you look at this plan? क्या आप इस मंसूबे का जायजा ले सकोगे? Let's see the next phrasal verb and phrase. The next one is, Pip may escape from fine. Pip may escape from fine. Pip may escape from fine. This is a positive statement. Pip may. Pip is the subject and file noun, and may is a may. You see here, my students, again. May is a modal verb. May is a modal verb. Escape from is a phrasal verb. Escape from is a phrasal verb, and fine is a noun. So Pip may escape from fine. Pip may escape from fine. शायद Pip जुर्माने से बच जाए. Pip may escape from fine. शायद Pip जुर्माने से बच जाए. मुमकिन है Pip जुर्माने से बच जाए. Pip may escape from fine. 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 शायद पिप जुर्माने से बच जाए. Here see my students, may is a modal verb and escape from is a phrasal verb and pip may escape from fine. Pip शायद जुर्माने से बच जाए, मुमकिन है पिप जुर्माने से बच जाए. Let's move to the next phrase in the sentence. Next one is Saira might demand for a treat. 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 You see my students, Saira is a noun subject. Might is a past of might and might is also a modal verb. Might is also considered to be a modal verb. And you see, demand for is a phrasal verb and a treat is an object and noun. So Saira might demand for a treat. Saira might demand for a treat. शायद सायरा एक दावत का मुतालबा करे. शायद सायरा एक दावत का मुतालबा रखे. Saira might demand for a treat. Saira might demand for a treat. शायद सायरा एक दावत का मुतालबा रखे. शायद सायरा दावत का एक मुतालबा करे. डिमांड फॉर होता है टू आस्क फॉर. सायरा माइट डिमांड फॉर अ ट्रीट. सायरा शायद एक दावत का मुतालबा करे. Let's move to the next phrase in a phrasal verb and a modal verb. You see here, the students, Andy should call up his friends. Andy should call up his friends. Andy is a noun and subject. Should is a, you see again, should is a modal verb. Should is a modal verb. It's a past form of shall. Shall, past of shall is should, and should is a modal verb. Andy should call up. Call up is a phrasal verb. Call up is a phrasal verb. Call up means to phone up. So Andy should call up his friends. Andy should call up his friends. Andy should call up his friends. His friends is an object and Andy should call up his friends. Andy को अपने दोस्तों को फोन करना चाहिए. Andy को अपने दोस्तों को फोन करना चाहिए. Andy को अपने दोस्तों को फोन करना चाहिए. Andy should call up his friends. Andy should call up his friends. Andy should call up his friends. Andy को अपने दोस्तों को फोन करना चाहिए. Here see my students, Andy is a subject and noun and should is a modal verb again. Should is a modal verb and it's used in this phrase. And call up is a phrasal verb. Andy should call up his friends again. Andy should call up his friends. Andy should call up his friends. Andy को दोबारा अपने दोस्तों को फोन करना चाहिए. Andy should call up his friends again. Andy should call up his friends again. Andy को दोबारा अपने दोस्तों को फोन करना चाहिए. You see, these are very beautiful statement with the modal verb and phrasal verb. Let's go through once again. The first one is a questionary statement, interrogative statement, and you see, can you make up for my loss? Can you make up for my loss? Can you make up for my loss? क्या आप मेरे नुकसान का इजाला कर सकते हो? Can is a modal verb, make up is a phrasal verb, and it's an interrogative statement. Can you make up for my loss? Can you make up for my loss? क्या आप मेरे नुकसान का इजाला कर सकते हो? Can you make up for my loss? क्या आप मेरे नुकसान का इजाला कर सकते हो? And next you see my students, could you look at this plan? 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 क्या आप इस मंसूबे का जायजा ले सकते हो? क्या आप इस मंसूबे का जायजा ले सकते थे? Could you look at this plan? Could you look at this plan? क्या आप इस मंसूबे का जायजा ले सकते थे? Let's move to the next statement. Pip may escape from fine. 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 शायद पिप जुर्माने से बच जाए. And next one is Saira might demand for a treat. 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 शायद सायरा एक दावत का तकाजा करे. Saira might demand for a treat. शायद सायरा एक दावत का मुतालबा करे. Saira might demand for a treat. Saira might demand for a treat. शायद सायरा एक दावत का तकाजा करे. And last one is Andy should call up his friends again. 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 एंडी को दोबारा अपने दोस्तों को फोन करना चाहिए। Hey my students, these are very beautiful statements with modal verbs and phrasal verbs. Memorize all these sentences. I'll see you again. Goodbye. Goodbye.